So we're doing a little bit of work in the garage on the GT350.
We are reshaping the exhaust system to go around the new transmission mount for the Tremec TKX transmission.
We've got a exhaust flange that we're trying to weld here, and because we're putting in a new exhaust pipe. It's gonna fit under here.
And Derek, you've done a very nice seam weld here with our MIG welder. And we're now getting ready to create the next piece. As we go backwards, we'll weld and weld again.
All right, Bo's gonna run the line. Nice. As Dad was saying, we're trying to get this to curve around the support bar that holds the transmission. So we have to curve this. So we're adding this tiny little sliver of metal here onto this to turn the pipe this way. So we're gonna fill this in real quick, and then we'll put it down underneath the car. We're gonna finish this hole right here. We're gonna fill that gap. All right, it's good to go in.